You have to try this chili recipe. It is so good. We're going to start with a pound of lean ground beef, followed by one diced green bell pepper, some onion, and then a jalapeno. Add a little bit of chili powder and then cook everything through until that beef is nice and browned. We're going to follow it up with a can of crushed tomatoes and a can of diced, and then 1 can of kidney beans and a little bit of broth. Add in some tomato paste to thicken it up, along with your seasonings, as well as a little bit of brown sugar to sweeten it up. We're going to mix everything together and then simmer on low for about an hour till everything gets to our desired thickness. Then when you're ready to serve, top with some cheese, green onions, cilantro, and as always, enjoy.